Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CV. I got this Galaxy DX949 sent in to me by Andy in West Virginia. Andy asked us to do the receiver improvement mod, do a tune-up, make the channel display blue. We were going to make the meter blue, but that didn't happen. It looks better like it is a lot. We put in the SP1 voice processor, and over here on the little linear he sent with it to match up, we did a fan assembly there. You can see that right there. It comes on when I turn it on, which will be in a moment. Okay, so there was that's it. Now this older radio, we did a Lescomm kit in there. There's a switch on the back for that, and it was the oldest radio I've done a Lescomm to. It needed a different PLL chip even to make it work right. So thanks to Lester for that. He got me squared away. I should learn to read directions better. It was right there. All right, we're gonna look at the radio by itself. We'll check out the figures, and then I'll show you where to put it for the amplifier, and I'll show you what the amp is doing. So starting all the way down on AM as we usually do. All the way down I got set for 2, and that's for the amp, of course. And all the way up, she goes to 6.5. Peak power, 50 watt slug. In the middle scale there. Audio, check. Audio. About 27. Remember now, this is the older one, bipolar transistors, not MOSFETs. And on sideband, while I'm over here, audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, about 23. Audio, check. Okay. Audio, check. That's set just a little bit tight so that it cannot overmod the amplifier. I think that's all the settings I needed was turn on the amplifier. Oop, wrong switch for that. Turn on that. And in AM, you're going to leave this power all the way down all the time. Because that's going to give you over here. I don't know what's on the top scale there. Coming in at 30. And the peak power, let's take and put 250 slug there so that we can read close to 150 right there. Just add a 0. Peak power, audio, about 140, 145. Audio, check. Does not overdrive the amp at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now when I go to sideband, let's check that out. I can take the radio's power and turn it all the way up. Audio, check. Let me put the amp in sideband mode. Here we go. Audio, check. See, we're not overdriving that either. Audio. And we're getting about 135, 140 out of it. Check. Audio. And 130. Okay. So there you go. Tune in to report today. Hey, we're going to run down for a radio check. Look at that. You see, I've done it already. What I tell the customer never to do. Don't forget this power knob. It has to be all the way down when you're on AM. Or you'll blow it up. Yeah, how's this radio sound out there, driver?
Sounds like a radio, driver.
10-4 sounds like a radio. Thank you.
I see away with all that Roger beeping and all that old crazy crap, but anyway, you beeping and Roger beeping and beeping and beeping.
10-4 on that damn old Roger beep internet.